Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you how can you create navigations in your Notion site. Let's say here is my Notion page. So I have created a navigation pane here. There are 4 pages here: home, about, contact and FAQ, and I can, you see, quickly switch through the pages. Okay, this is working as my navigation menu. Okay, so let's see how can we do that. First of all, I will create a new page. Let's call it my site. I'll create an empty page. After that, inside this, let's say I will create 2 more pages. This is, let's say, quotation. Sorry, this will be a page first. Page title is quotation. I will create another page. Let's say this is contact. Okay, so my page work is done. You can, if you want, you can add icon here. I'm creating some random icons. Okay, so my work is done here. Now what I will do, I will create a new section called callout. If you search with callout, this is the one. Now what I will do, I will paste all my links here. I will basically build my navigations here. Okay, let's start. First of all, there is 3 page: home, then quotation, then contact. Okay, that's it. What I will do now, I will link these pages here. First of all, quotation, I will just, if you just click here, copy the link, select the text. I'm pasting my link here. It will suggest the name. Then for is contact, I will copy the link, select my text, create add link here, paste the link. It will suggest your page, just select it. And another one is for my home page. Okay, this is one link here, paste my site. Okay, so your work is done. Now one more step. If I go to quotation page, there is no navigation. So what I will do, and in contact page there is no navigation. I want to use this section in all my pages and in synced way. So all the pages in the link will be synced. Okay, like this section. So first of all, I'll create a new section. Let's call it synced block. This is the one, sync content across pages. So just drag it here. What I will do, I will drag my, this is my sync section. I'll just drag it here inside this section, remove the extra spaces. Then I will bring my navigation menu here. Now when you choose this one, it will show you copy and sync. Let's click on this, copy and sync. Now I will go to my quotation page. I'll paste it here, see, and I will go to my contact page. I will also paste it here, bring it down, and this will be your content. So my work is done here. Now you can easily navigate to your site. That's so easy, I think. if you want to create a navigation menu, this is the simplistic way. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.